This is the Gas 67. Magtatagalog ako dahil grabe, sobrang grabe ng keyboard na to. It's really impressive. I didn't expect this to be what it is. I got the package today, and honestly, I have a lot of keyboards and switches up for review. So I didn't. I was planning to assemble this at a later time, at a later time. Uh, However, when I peeked inside the box and I saw the components, boy oh boy, it did not look like a 3,000 peso barebone keyboard. Um, and the construction and the gasket implementation of this keyboard is so good. Let's keep it at that. This is a short review. I will give my full build guide and modding guide for this keyboard, but if you're considering buying this keyboard, please do buy it. uh it's a steal. It's a steal for the price. It's almost perfect for what it is. The only downside might be the north facing PCB. So yeah, worth it, totally worth it.